Alhamdulillah. In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My beloved brothers and sisters, have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by a sudden wave of difficulty, wondering why doors seem to be closing around you? My dear sisters, sometimes the heart feels very heavy. You might look around and find that friends have drifted away. You might feel a strange loneliness wrapping around your soul. You ask yourself why everything feels so difficult right now. You might feel like you are walking through a dark tunnel with no light in sight. But what if this is not a punishment at all? What if this is the beautiful beginning of something incredible? Allah works in ways we often cannot comprehend immediately. When the Almighty is preparing to elevate a woman, He first prepares her heart. He isolates her gently from the noise of the world. This is not to hurt her. This is to protect her. He empties her life of worldly distractions so she can focus entirely on Him. This is the first secret sign. You will feel a strong, almost pulling need to turn to Him in the quiet hours of the night. People might misunderstand you. You might even misunderstand your own feelings. But this sudden isolation is a divine invitation. The Almighty wants you to rely only on Him. He is clearing the stage of your life. He is making room for a massive blessing that is about to arrive. You see, a vessel must be emptied before it can be filled with something pure and beautiful. Your heart is exactly like that vessel. The tears you shed in the darkness are washing away the attachments of this temporary world. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, taught us a profound truth about this spiritual process. He said that when Allah loves a servant, He tests them. This is a very comforting thought. It means your current struggles are a direct sign of His immense love for you. He is testing your patience. He is stretching your capacity to receive true greatness. Do not look at your current isolation as a painful loss. Look at it as a spiritual promotion. The Almighty is simply taking away what is good to give you what is best. You might be losing sleep, but you are gaining a connection with your Creator that nothing can ever break. Think about the great women in our rich Islamic history. They all faced moments of intense solitude and hardship before their greatest victories. This is a clear pattern of divine love. Allah states in the Quran that with hardship comes ease. He repeats it twice in the very same chapter to give us absolute certainty. With every single difficulty you are facing right now, an equal or greater ease is being perfectly prepared for you in the heavens. This ease is specifically tailored for your life. The Almighty knows your exact pain. He knows the silent whispers of your heart that you cannot even explain to anyone else. He hears the thoughts you are too afraid to speak out loud. So when you find yourself sitting alone, do not ever despair. Do not let the whispers of doubt tell you that you are forgotten. You are the farthest thing from forgotten. You are being carefully chosen. You are being purified. You are being prepared for a blessing so grand that it requires a completely pure heart to hold it. Embrace this quiet season of your life. Use this precious time to speak to Him. Pour out your daily worries and your deepest fears. Let your forehead touch the ground in complete submission. Every single tear that falls on your prayer mat is a beautiful seed planted for your future happiness. The Almighty sees your beautiful patience. He honors your silent endurance. The greatness He has planned for you will surely make you forget every single moment of pain you are experiencing right now. Just trust His perfect timing. Your beautiful new chapter is just beginning. My beloved brothers and sisters, do you suddenly feel a strange detachment from the things you used to love? This is a very common feeling when a spiritual shift is happening. You might look at your favorite hobbies or your material possessions and feel completely empty inside. The clothes, the jewelry, the social gatherings, they all suddenly lose their sparkle. My dear sisters, this is the second secret sign from the Almighty. He is actively changing the desires of your heart. He is removing the love of temporary things from your soul. This happens because He wants to fill your heart with something permanent. When Allah intends great good for a woman, He makes her lose interest in the illusion of this world. You might start feeling like you simply do not belong here anymore. You start craving a deeper purpose. The trivial conversations around you start to feel exhausting. You prefer quiet reflection over loud gatherings. This detachment is actually a beautiful gift. It means your soul is waking up. It is recognizing its true home. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised us beautifully on this matter. He told us to be in this world as if we were a stranger or a traveler along a path. A traveler does not attach their heart to the transit lounge. They know they are just passing through to reach their final destination. This sudden feeling of being a stranger is Allah preparing you for a higher spiritual station. He is detaching you from the creation so you can attach yourself fully to the Creator. Then comes the third secret sign. This sign is a profound sense of inner peace during chaotic times. Everything around you might be falling apart. People might be panicking. But deep inside your chest, there is an unexplainable calm. You find yourself smiling through tears. You feel a quiet certainty that everything will be entirely fine. This peace does not come from your own strength. It is a direct descent of tranquility from the heavens. It is a spiritual embrace from the Most Merciful. He places this comfort in your heart to sustain you through the difficult transition. You begin to understand that nothing happens without His absolute permission. Even when the storm is raging outside, your inner world remains safe. The Quran beautifully explains this exact phenomenon. Allah states that unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah, hearts are assured. This divine assurance is the greatest wealth a woman can possess. It protects her mind from anxiety. It shields her heart from despair. When you experience this specific type of peace, know that a massive blessing is on its way. The Almighty is stabilizing your foundation. He wants you to be strong enough to carry the immense good He has written for your future. Do not fight this feeling of detachment. Let the worldly desires fade away naturally. Embrace the peace that comes with remembering Him. You are being transformed from the inside out. Your spiritual eyes are opening to the reality of this temporary life. The greatness planned for you is much better than anything you are leaving behind. Just keep walking on this path of remembrance. My beloved brothers and sisters, as you continue on this beautiful journey of spiritual growth, a fourth secret sign will begin to emerge. You will suddenly find a deep urge to forgive those who have wronged you. For a long time, your heart may have held on to deep pain. You may have carried the heavy burden of anger towards people who caused you immense sorrow. But when the Almighty is preparing you for greatness, He softens your heart towards His creation. You wake up one day and the anger is simply gone. You no longer want to seek revenge. You no longer want to see them suffer. Instead, you feel a profound pity for those who are lost in their wrongdoing. You start making sincere prayers for their guidance in the middle of the night. This is not a sign of weakness at all. This is the ultimate sign of spiritual strength. The Almighty is cleaning out the final corners of your heart. He is making sure there is no room left for bitterness. A heart that is meant to receive massive blessings must be completely pure. It must be free from grudges and heavy resentment. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave us a beautiful guarantee regarding this. He stated that the merciful will be shown mercy by the most merciful. By choosing to forgive others, you are actually unlocking the endless mercy of Allah for yourself. You are trading your worldly anger for permanent heavenly rewards. You are elevating your status in ways you cannot even imagine right now. This beautiful transition leads perfectly into the fifth secret sign. You will develop an intense and heightened empathy for the broken people around you. When you see someone crying, your own eyes will fill with tears. When you hear about someone going through a severe hardship, your heart will physically ache for them. You will feel a burning desire to help the needy. You will want to feed the hungry and comfort the orphans. You will want to use whatever little resources you have to bring a smile to a sad face. This newfound empathy is a direct reflection of divine love. The Almighty is placing His own beautiful attribute of mercy inside your chest. He is using you as a gentle instrument of His comfort on this earth. When Allah loves a woman and plans great things for her, He makes her a source of light for others. He gives her the emotional capacity to carry the pain of her community. The Quran highlights this beautiful trait of forgiveness and compassion perfectly. Allah asks us to let them pardon and overlook inhaling. He then asks a very powerful question. He asks if you would not love for Allah to forgive you. Whenever you find it very hard to forgive someone, just remember this divine promise. Remember how much you desperately need the forgiveness of your Creator. Your willingness to let go of past hurts is the exact key to your future blessings. The greatness waiting for you requires a clean slate. It requires a soul that is light and full of genuine love. Do not hold on to the heavy stones of your past. Drop them gently right now and keep moving forward. Embrace this beautiful softening of your heart. Let the tears of empathy flow freely from your eyes. They are washing away your previous sins and raising your ranks in the high heavens. You are becoming a beautiful beacon of hope for everyone around you. The Almighty is molding your inner character into something truly magnificent. Your beautiful heart is expanding right now to hold the massive gifts that are coming your way. Just keep showing mercy to the creation. The Creator will surely shower His boundless mercy upon you. My beloved brothers and sisters, the journey of divine preparation continues with the sixth secret sign. You will suddenly develop an unquenchable thirst for divine knowledge. For a long time, you might have been content with just the basic practices. You prayed and you fasted, but suddenly, this routine is no longer enough for your waking soul. You wake up with a burning desire to truly understand the words of your Creator. You find yourself picking up the Quran not just to read the Arabic, but to search for the profound meanings. You want to know the historical context of the verses. You want to understand the beautiful struggles of the prophets. You want to deeply comprehend the divine wisdom behind the commandments. This sudden hunger for knowledge is a massive blessing. It is not something you manufactured on your own. It is a direct invitation from the Almighty. He is literally calling you to sit at His table of wisdom. He is preparing your mind to handle the greatness He has planned for you. A woman destined for immense blessings cannot remain in a state of spiritual ignorance. She must be equipped with the powerful weapon of true knowledge. This knowledge will protect her from the confusing trials of this modern world. It will give her the absolute clarity to make the right decisions for her future. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, spoke very clearly about this specific sign. He explained that when Allah wishes good for a person, He grants them a deep understanding of the religion. This is a very clear and direct indicator of divine favor. If you find yourself eagerly listening to Islamic lectures instead of music, rejoice. If you find yourself asking deep questions about your faith, be very happy. The Almighty is personally educating you. He is filling your mind with the light of profound understanding. He is replacing your worldly confusion with divine certainty. As you study the religion deeply, you will begin to see the hidden patterns of His mercy in your own life. The seemingly random events of your past will suddenly make perfect sense. You will realize that every hardship was a carefully crafted lesson. The Quran confirms this beautiful reality. Allah declares that He gives wisdom to whom He wills, and whoever has been given wisdom has certainly been given much good. This divine wisdom is the exact tool you need for the next chapter of your life. It is the solid foundation upon which your future greatness will be firmly built. Without this wisdom, sudden blessings can actually become a dangerous test. Wealth or success without spiritual grounding can easily destroy a person. Therefore, the Almighty is making sure you are completely ready. He is strengthening your intellect. He is sharpening your spiritual vision. Do not ignore this beautiful calling to seek knowledge. Dedicate a small portion of your daily time to studying the life of the Prophet. Read the translations and the explanations of the beautiful Quran. Let the divine words soak deep into your mind and heart. You are being groomed for a very special purpose. The Almighty wants you to be a woman of deep substance and profound wisdom. He wants you to lead others with the light He is currently placing within you. Embrace this beautiful phase of learning. Every single letter you learn is a stepping stone towards the massive reward waiting for you. My beloved brothers and sisters, we have finally arrived at the seventh and most beautiful secret sign. This is the ultimate stage of your divine preparation. After the isolation, the detachment, the inner peace, the forgiveness, the empathy, and the profound knowledge, something incredible happens to your heart. You develop an absolute and unbreakable reliance on your Creator. You no longer worry about how things will work out. You no longer stress over the exact details of your future. You simply do your best and leave the rest entirely to Him. This level of trust is a massive spiritual milestone. When Allah is just moments away from showering a woman with something truly great, He removes all her anxiety about provision and destiny. You wake up every single morning with a light and happy heart. You know with absolute certainty that your Lord is in complete control. You stop trying to force doors open. You gently step back and allow the Almighty to unfold His perfect plan. This complete surrender is the final key that unlocks the massive blessings waiting for you. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave us a beautiful visual to understand this trust. He taught that if you were to rely upon Allah with the required reliance, He would provide for you just as a bird is provided for. A bird leaves its nest hungry in the morning. It returns completely full in the evening. The bird does not have a bank account or a complicated backup plan. It only has its wings and its complete trust in the sustainer. The Almighty is asking you to become exactly like that beautiful bird. Spread your wings of faith and fly into the open sky of His mercy. Do not look down at the terrifying drops. Look up at the limitless heavens above you. The greatness prepared for you will arrive exactly when you finally stop trying to control every single outcome. When you reach this beautiful state of submission, the tests finally begin to fade away. The dark clouds part, and the bright sun of divine favor shines directly upon your life. The difficult people are removed from your path. The closed doors suddenly swing wide open without any exhausting effort on your part. The pure desires you placed in His hands are returned to you in the most magnificent ways possible. The Quran confirms this ultimate promise with profound beauty. Allah declares that whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. He is sufficient for your healing heart. He is sufficient for your daily provision. He is sufficient for your absolute protection against every single harm in this world. You truly need nothing else when you have the Creator of everything completely on your side. So my dear sisters, if you are experiencing these secret signs right now, smile a deeply beautiful smile. Dry your precious tears and lift your head very high. Your period of silent suffering is coming to a glorious end. Your heart has been purified and perfectly prepared. The Almighty has tested your faith, and you have endured with beautiful patience. You are no longer the broken woman who started this difficult journey. You have transformed into a strong, resilient, and spiritually awakened believer. You are now a magnificent vessel, ready to overflow with His divine grace. Keep your heart attached to the heavens above. Keep your tongue moist with His beautiful remembrance. The amazing things He has planned for your near future are entirely beyond your wildest imagination. May the Almighty shower you with endless peace and unimaginable blessings. Before you leave, I want to ask you something from my heart. If even one sentence in this reminder made your heart closer to Allah, do not just scroll away. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, send it to someone you love who is going through a difficult time. That small act of sharing could become your sadaqah jariyah, a charity that keeps rewarding you long after you are gone. Comment below and let me know, where are you listening from? I want to make dua for every single one of you tonight. May Allah protect all you from all evil eyes. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen.